Hi guys, this is going to be an updated office tour. I'm going to show you what my office looked like a couple of months ago. So in this blue folder I keep important papers that I like to read. So here's a chart showing how much I've written, and I've got 8 tabs for each of the 8 chapters. So I print off my drafts and then I write over them with a red pen. So over here I keep the important contextual materials that I might need to look back at. So I cut out some pictures of packaging to help me with the phase 3, the design phase of the PhD. So I was trying to do the Cornell note-taking thing for important papers, and I'm going to read this for the Viva, but I'm still working on it. So over here I've got my tea. And I really like these little books. This journal writing book's good, but it costs £72. I still have to read these 2 books. I only bought them recently. It's quite hard getting these folders out, but these 2 folders have got the information that I've written up from books and lectures and things about how to be a PhD student. So there's writing tips and methodology things. So over here I've got pieces of paper and also different post-it notes and pens, pencils as well. I don't know why I've got so many pins. I think I decluttered that. And that green thing is a cherry tomato container. So usually I walk to the office wearing different shoes, and then I change into these when I get there. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.